phone numbers on here. That'll have to be put down.
What are you doing, Sue?
Well, we're trying something different. With the pandemic, we thought we'd order online. So right now, I've got my Instacart app going on. And you can see our shopper's name is Shonda, we found out. And we've got 49 out of the 79 products picked up already. So if you look, you can see she's actively shopping. And as she adds to it, that number will change. So we'll have a good idea pretty much when she's totally done.
So are you saying, Sue, that in real time, this is happening right now, the shopping, it's April 10th right now. This is actually the first time that we've ordered from Publix, and we're trying to see how it works to help social distancing by literally not bringing more possibilities into the store, and we're just
we're trying to keep our social distance, and we've got one person in there shopping. God bless the people that are out there in the public and doing this service for us. It's amazing.
Why don't you go out and let's show people the setup that we have, that we set up based on YouTube videos from different doctors and surgeons that suggested a certain way. Let's go.
I want to point out with this app, I just got an update that they had to make a change. So we were going to buy our friends some Nabisco Oreos, and I just got a flash that it was replaced by something else. Oh no.
Oh, we're in deep. We're
Will she accept our Oreo replacement?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Barb and Cindy, two good friends that we met in Minot, North Dakota, and then we went to the Shawnee Music Festival with them, and now they're here with us, hunkering down for 2 months. They didn't know that we were going to buy them some Oreos when they finally go back.
And we still didn't buy them Oreos. We bought Oreo replacement.
Yeah.
Oh well, we'll see what else has been replaced.
Right. Let's go check on our setup out there.
All right, let's do that. Watch your step.
Oh, I see.
Right, so we put our disposable picnic table plastic on. We're going to have our shopper, Shonda, come and bring all our groceries over on the ground in the shade. Mark's going to be the cleanup department, so he'll be here with the bags. He'll be pulling things out with his gloves, with our Clorox spray. They'll be washing things. When they're wiped off, we'll leave them over there, and then I'll start carrying them in. So this is something we learned on a video. It sounds good. I mean, we're doing what we can.
It was a YouTube video, actually, that was a surgeon that works in one of the hospitals, and it was really good. I have to ask you, though, is why is the slow job given to Mark, and all of the tough work, horsing the equipment in and putting it away, given just to one person like you?
All right, we all know that answer. Mark is slow and meticulous.
What?
And I am fast. It's like, let's go. Come on, let's go.
All right. We have no idea how good this is going to work. If we have enough time to get set up here, we're going to set up a camera, so let's get going.
So I need to call the office.
Yeah.
to
Yeah,
pour in the
she
shade.
should have her full rating here. Howdy.
Hi.
Sorry, I didn't really have it one way.
Huh.
No, it doesn't matter at this point.
So which one's Chandra?
Shonda.
That's the
wife.
This is
Okay.
my husband helping me. This is a larger
We'll
order
just
than
put them on the ground in the
Yeah,
shade.
just put 'em on the
Yeah,
ground here, that's
Appreciate
good.
that.
Those tortillas you wanted,
Yeah.
they had them there, but they were all moldy.
There was 5 packs of them,
All
all moldy.
moldy.
Yeah.
So,
Wow.
We gave them to the clerk in the deli.
we didn't get to those.
Okay.
So,
That's
and the other
wow.
ones you wanted, they didn't have those either.
Okay.
But yeah,
All
they
right.
were all moldy.
We're gonna do our routine that we saw on the internet.
People wipe them down with Lysol wipes. And
Yeah.
There's a lot of like this, like how this says designated little areas for
Yeah.
us to put them.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, even though I look 25, I'm 68, so I figured I wanted to be safe. I know, you were thinking, why does a 25-year-old have this done? But save you the embarrassment by thinking that. So do you guys do all the stores?
Yeah, I mean, we mostly just stick with Publix or BJ's.
Yeah. Who's got the most stock?
Hey, BJ's.
well, because like if they offer spaghetti, they offer like 2 or 3 different types. you
Yeah.
know, So, and they
Okay.
have so much bulk. But anything sanitizing, bleach, paper towels,
like,
napkins, forget about it. But BJ's, every now and then they do.
Okay.
And we're in and out of Publix so much that when they get it, they put it up and like by our second time back, it's gone. So,
Okay, so if you guys are uncomfortable, we will, I mean, you haven't been on screen that much here. Don't look at the camera if you don't want to be.
Hi.
We have a YouTube channel, and we want to show people how to do this.
Oh,
So
that's
you can
great.
see we're going to show how we sanitize. We're not going to say it's right or wrong. It's just, you know, what we're going to
Wow,
do.
that's cool.
So if you guys are okay, we'll put that on.
If you don't want to be on, we can totally cut
Yeah.
you guys in front of the camera.
However y'all, whatever
I
y'all
don't
want.
mind.
I don't mind.
All right. Don't you guys wish that there was no shoppers in the stores and there was just you guys doing it,
Yeah.
and there'd be less?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Absolutely,
Because
yeah.
they got the aisles like this.
Yeah.
So I mean, if you, the only way to successfully go down everything is to zigzag.
One
You'll be
way.
going down a few aisles you don't even need. So
All right.
and we're timed on what we do.
Let's not
So we
bother
gotta
them.
go.
They got work to
Oh,
do.
I mean like
Okay.
with the shopping.
Thank you, you guys.
Yeah,
Yep, no
thank you
problem.
for what you're doing.
Yep.
Y'all
Yeah,
stay
no
safe,
problem.
okay?
Yeah.
Y'all stay. Yep.
Yep.
Have a nice one.
Saving old guys like me.
Yeah.
Take care.
Yep. All right.
Find the frozen, Dave.
Find the frozen, babe. All right. Okay. We're trying to keep this half. We're trying to keep the dirty side. So I've got cold things to wipe off here. Okay, the guy on the internet seemed less worried about constantly replacing this. By the way, I need the garbage out here, Hank. He was more worried about always having wetness of the bleach on the product and to not wipe it off. Once again, if you're watching this and I'm doing everything wrong, it certainly isn't because I'm not trying. So,
Mainly get the where your hand is too. That's what they said about those things.
okay,
People tend to grab them.
okay, good point. Make sure you talk loud, honey, because the microphone's. She said to wash specifically across the top where people grab it. Okay. So did you want to wear gloves while you're doing everything, or you're going to assume everything is clean?
I'm going to assume it's clean.
Okay.
And they said that because it's wet, we should just let it sit a little bit, let it dry.
Yes.
Okay, because it's frozen, we'll let it sit a little bit and then get it in the freezer. Then there's meat in there.
Okay, I will get that. Remember, our half point is where those white clips are.
Yeah, we've got the dirty half and then we've got the sanitizer.
Right. And, okay. So, all of the fruit actually is going to be soaked in the water. Did you want to bring that out here? As you can tell, this is not an overly efficient operation. Right? And as you're watching this and you think how ridiculous this is, keep in mind, bet we're going to have to do this for 9 months. It's the new way.
I'm gonna put this on the clean side.
Too bad our shopper didn't say, "Oh, do you only want 6 of your spinach egg whites?" I would have said, "No, I'll take 36 because we really like them." Wonder if the company Clorox knew that they'd be saving the day. Better get the apples in there or I'm going to be in trouble. Yeah, this should only take a few hours and then we'll be done. Well,
See, this is how it is when you cannot shop yourself.
Yeah.
I've gotten probably twice as many. Shoot.
you only get that personalized service when you're shopping for your grandmother. And then your grandmother gives you the feedback, "Hey, Sue, next time you're shopping for apples, I don't want no stinking single bag. I'll take a double bag."
So there is meat in there?
I'm looking for it constantly, but I didn't find it yet. Don't touch the dirty side, honey. And I'm just warning you for any potential cleavage shots. Remember, there's a camera up there.
You wish.
I wish that the channel viewership would go up, you know, but just trying to be honest. All right. Where is that meat?
You need to open all these up so I can see them because you really need to get that meat out of it.
All right.
And we've got yogurt right here and cheese and butter.
Well, you don't think I know that?
Well, see, this is not as important.
Oh.
It's my whole product.
All right. You see what I have to live with?
See what I have to live with? Oh my God, Marco.
Yeah.
Kind of waiting on you, baby. Trying to give a little cleavage shot.
Okay, what did you say you were going to do with the cloves?
Just wipe down whatever they touched and I'll take it from there, whatever.
Well, it's a net.
Yeah.
It's like fishnet nylons.
It's
So, everybody that's watching this should be looking at Sue right now. And should be looking at her face, where she's trying to hold in her absolute amazement on how slow her husband is at everything he does.
I'm trying to hold back. I'm ready to put gloves on myself.
But without elaborating, remember, some things in life that are slow are good. Leave it at that. Can't we?
Not a quote.
If I wouldn't have watched the YouTube video with the surgeon, I probably would have replaced my
Paper towel.
paper towel every 10 seconds, but he was swabbing the deck down for quite a while, so
Yeah.
I'm assuming he knows what he's talking about. So why don't you bring a container out here and I can put the chicken in. So look at the size of this and get a container.
Yes, sir. You just keep doing what you're doing, and I know what I need to do.
I'd appreciate it if you continue to call me sir. Alright, so I'm sanitizing here the going away gift. In about 2 weeks, Cindy and Barb, our famous Get Stuck with their Dutch Star girls, and she really loves these. So this is going to be their going away present. They just don't know it yet. Okay, here's the meat. It's only 95 out, so it only is partially cooked by now. End up dying of food poisoning and not corona. So maybe next time the technique will be where we have 2 wipers, make a big giant pile, and then go at it. But we didn't know. This is kind of like a first date. We're not sure how it's going to turn out. Hoping for the best, planning for the worst.
Let me go clean this
That's
up.
pretty dirty. It looks like you cleaned our wheels with it. When I'm all done here, since I'm swabbing this all of these groceries all over the front of my shirt and my body. I guess realistically, when I'm all done, I should take off my shirt and pants and go take a shower. Try not to touch my face. I suppose if I did a video review here, I probably did. Now that I'm thinking about it, my nose all of a sudden itches.
I don't think about it.
Yeah. You know, a person could get a scratching post here, and you can kind of like lean up against it. Like I could probably go over to the tripod there and lay into it. Banana walnut loaf cake. All right, you can put this on the nightstand by my bed.
Yeah, fine. Right, any other?
Oh my God! There's another one.
Woohoo! Monica's happy.
Happy guy.
Good for 2 days. You know, as fruitless as this looks, this is really literally all we can do.
You just don't know.
Yeah.
Why take a chance?
Dump these in there.
Yeah.
You better hope we don't get the soapy poops, honey.
Yep, want one?
Because then we'll think we're sick when we're really not. Unbelievable. It actually looks like it's coming to an end.